Stop! Hello viewers, today we will be unboxing another cordless telephone. I stopped doing these kind of videos because I thought they were kind of dry, but the last one I did had a lot of positive feedback, so I think I'll start recording them again. I did show on the previous taking it out of the box, but that clip got interrupted. So we're starting again, and this is where we're at. This is a BellSouth or Ding South 25 channel 46 to 49 megahertz cordless telephone model 2-3730, and it captured my curiosity because at first glance it looks a lot like a Uniden telephone, and there's definitely some things that resemble Uniden about it even at a closer glance. Although I've never seen a Uniden quite like this. There's way too many buttons, and I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's Uniden, but who knows. I've never seen one of these under the Uniden brand, but I certainly have not seen all the telephones they ever made. I suspect this was one of the later, newer, more recent, whatever, 46 to 49 megahertz phones, because not too many of them show up with a screen. So this was probably late 90s at earliest. Most likely it was a budget model in the early 2000s. So let's see what we have here. Claims to have quite a few features. I don't have a whole lot of equipment from these brands. All the Bell brands. I find that the quality usually isn't the greatest. Maybe this one's an exception, I don't know. So, let's see. Do not use this cordless phone with caller ID before you read the following. Okay. It's all common sense to me, though I suppose not so much to other people. Got a pretty thick manual. It's copyright 1995 or 1998. And a piece of material just fell on the floor. Let's try not to make a mess here. And another piece of material just fell on the floor. Speed dialing. Stop! Please read this important information on the operation of this cordless telephone. The battery. Charged for 12 hours. That certainly doesn't seem like Uniden to me. Not sure why the cassettes are on here, because this doesn't have an answering machine. It's got multiple batteries as well. It's kind of strange. But the antenna is detachable. A lot of things that are important on that page. Not made for BellSouth, which would lead me to believe that there was a third party that made the thing. but there doesn't appear to be much mention of who it could be. Unfortunately, it's made in China. It's not surprising though. Okay, so let's take the thing out of the box. I'm going to put all this other piece of materials in the floor now. I'm going to throw all this stuff back in the bag before it gets dirty. And then we'll take a look at the phone itself. Here's the base. It's relatively heavy. It's a decent feel to it. There's the informations. Model 2-7, that's the same model on the box. The bottom right it says Smooth Line Limited. I don't know what that is. So there's that. And here's the handset. Oh, it's quite heavy. Some instructions there. There's so many buttons on this thing. The buttons have a decent feel to them. They're way too small for my preference, but not bad. Oh, it takes some kind of psychotic battery. It's nickel metal hydride made in Singapore. I better take a charge because it's going to be near impossible to find something like that. Volume low and high. Okay. I'll try to charge it up later. I don't want to charge it unsupervised in case something goes haywire with that battery. Here's the antenna. It's looks like it would have been the flexible kind back in the day. I'm sure it's probably not too flexible anymore. Certainly not going to find out. So it's the standard size. So it has that going for it at least. It could be replaced. And we have the standard long phone cord. And we have short phone cord. Kind of a long short phone cord though. Wall mount bracket. Although it looks like this could probably go on either way and make it, give it a, you know, a kind of a slant on the table. And here's the power cord. It's at 12 volts at 200 milliamps. Unfortunately made in China. Branded DVE Class 2 transformer. Model number DV1220DC. So, that's that. It's all there. Hopefully that battery takes a charge, though I certainly have my doubts. But we'll find out soon enough. In the next video of this BellSouth 46 megahertz to 49 megahertz analog cordless phone with callerID caller rating.